Hello everyone, welcome to part 35 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. Okay, in this video, we are going to continue the updating the admin. In the last video, we have seen that we able to make the separate table for the admin panel. That is the admins table we have created in the last video, and now we can log in with the admins table. We just need to create the user, the admin user in the admins table, and we able to log in with the admin table. But still, there are few functions that change password function that still working with the old user table. But now we need to update the change password function as well, so that we can update it from the admin table, because now we are using the admin table. Okay, so I am going to use this dating database, and we'll open the dating admin panel. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, now here we can see that earlier we are using the users table. In users table we are using the admin column. Now we are not using this column, and we are using the admin table. And so the password we are checking from the admin table, not from the user table. So we need to update some of the functions. Okay, so I can open here the I think, yeah, admin controller, and yeah, here we can see that few of the function we need to update. This update password, and see, I will check from the route. We can check from the route that which function we are using. Okay, here we reach, and here we are going to see, sorry for that, here settings page. You can go inside settings page. You can see that we have the change password form, and I'm going to open this form because I don't remember that which route, which function I'm using it. We can check like this. Here, admin update password. Okay, I'm going to search this in my route file, and okay, admin controller we are using. Okay, fine, admin controller we are using update password function. Okay, that's fine. We are using this update password function, and one more function we are using here. You can see here that it tells us that current password is incorrect and current password is correct. So here also we are using one function, and that function belongs to, we will see that which function we are calling. See here, we are calling here, see, you can see admin check password kind of thing comes here. See, once again I'm going to tell you, see, check password, check hyphen password. So this one, check this one, admin check password function we are using for this one, and this one also required update. You can see the current password is 1234556, and it will not pick, I think, 123456. It is picking from the admin table, from the users table, in fact, and still not, it is not picking from the admin table. Okay, so we need to update this function so that it will pick from the admin table. And you can see that even if I will update the password here, it is going to update at the users table and will update this password, but it will not update the password that is required to log in here. I will tell you like this. Okay, see, current password is 1234556. Okay, I admit that the current password is same like in all table, but if I will make it 1234567, 1234567, okay, so 7. Now I'm going to update the password, and we'll try to log in with this password. See here, it is not updating the password at all, because here now we are not using this one. We are using from the admin table. Okay, so leave everything. We are going to update the means check password and update password function. Okay, see here we are getting it from the user table, and but we need to get it from the admin table. So, and also the current password now we need to get in MD5. Means current password we are getting in MD5, because here even the user is going to enter the current password, we need to convert it to MD5 so that we can check it like in the same way. So here we are going to add MD5 with the current password. Okay, so after that we can simply count. We can count like this, and we need to count the means if it will be one, then we will send true, otherwise we will send false. Okay, so I am going to count that whether it met all the conditions, then it will come as one. Okay, I'm going to check the username, and username, we are going to check password as well, username as well. I'm going to do like this. Okay, username we already know that session get, we can use that uh, same. This one comes here, admin session. Okay, so it comes here, uh, session, get admin session. Okay, username we are going to compare with this one, because username will remain the same for the admin. Okay, so after this one, now check password. Password we have already converted to MD5. Now we can just add that current password in the same way. Okay, so after adding the password, I can just close it, and we'll add count here like this. Okay, so here we can echo, and we see what it will do. Okay, let's see. But it will not tell. It will tell here in console, because we are using jQuery Ajax here. Okay, so now I will add some wrong password, and we'll see it is going to be error. Okay, so I'm going to see which error it is coming. Syntax unexpected error. I'm going to see here count admin. Here we have already added user. Will be able to name session get administration password development password. Okay, no issue. We can continue with our code, and we'll see. Here I'm going to this one I'm going to remove, and here I'm going to add the condition if dollar count equal to 1, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Okay, now I'm going to refresh once again, and we see syntax error. Okay, coming here. Here is other way to do, and okay, sorry for that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now silly mistake. Okay, no issue. It seems to be removed now, and we will now check 1, 2, 3. Still some error is coming. Still some undefined variable, current password, current underscore password. It is showing it as undefined variable, and we are going to open this settings page, and we see here current password we are using, that is fine. Password, current password. Hmm. Sometimes it takes more time than expected. Oh, okay. So I'm going to check here. If script, I'm going to check that where we have entered. If I'm going to check password validate. Okay, I'm going to search. I am going to debug the issue. So many times you have also faced this issue, and this is the way that you can debug the issue because even if you are experienced developer, even you have too much knowledge, such kind of issues do come whenever you do some kind of coding. So, but we need to face and try to resolve the issue. So I am doing the same. I'm going to check that where the issue is coming and password validate here. I'm going to see. Okay, so let's see here. Mm, Rules, current password, new password, confirm password. Okay, and we are checking the current password, but here I'm not able to see anything. Not written. Mm, Current password. Then from here, check password. I'm going to see that check password. Okay, check password is just the output. Uh, Password validate. What new password and I want to see once again. Okay, here it is, current password. Okay, this is the function that we are using. Admin check password. Okay, and then this current password we are sending here, and it is going to error every time. Okay, so this is it is going to admin check password. That is not an issue. Admin check password. Okay, it is going to check password, and here it goes. Okay, we are going to debug it. So let's debug it. Let's see if we are going to able to resolve it or not. And now I'm going to 3.6 and see here everything is coming fine. Current password is coming here. Okay, means this thing is coming. Current password is coming here, and MD5 we are using MD5, and so uh, yeah, also we can reach up in here. Mm, we are going to see again we are using here might be the issue. Uh, After MD5 the disable. And now I'm going to refresh again. Okay, so now I'm going to see the current password once again, and once again it is coming. Okay, fine, it is fine. It is just debugging it, and the correct current password is coming here. Okay, so MD5 is also working. Now here might be the issue. Admin where username is here. It is is it is getting this or not. I'm not sure that it is getting this. Okay, so like this, and here this one we can also try and see. Now I'm going to add once again and see admin is coming here. Fine. Admin username admin. So username admin is also coming here. Username as admin, that is, oh sorry, not here. Here it is in admin table. Username is admin, that is perfect. Okay. So this one is also working. Admin where username equal to admin and password equal to this one. What we are going to do, I'm going to do like username this one, and after that I'm going to add one more their solution, so that we can make it easier. Password simply do like this, and now we are going to check the count. Okay, so let's close the tie, and now I'm going to see, and once more I'm going to refresh and we see. Yeah, some issue is coming. See what is this? What is this error? Error is coming. Yeah, and there is some error. Okay, I forgot to tie here. Now we are going to check again. Once again, we will check. Okay, so I'm going to check this one once again, but still the error is not going. See here, the error has come, and you can see the username. Mm, username. Okay, sorry for that. Here we need to add comma. Now we are going to see once again. Yeah. Now we are going to add the password once again. And here we have added the password, and I'm going to see what comes here. Now error comes. Finally, the error comes, and this error we need to see what is the error. Undefined variable again comes here. Current password. Okay. Okay, that is the error now once again, because it is, oh sorry, what the silly mistake. See here, current underscore password I'm using here, and here I'm using current underscore pwd. What the silly mistake I have done. See, this silly mistake wastes lot of our time, lot of our time. Either we can use current password like this, and this is the silly mistake. Here I am using, you can see here I'm using it like current password, and here I am just taking wrong variable. Okay, I can simply take this variable and can use here. Oh my goodness. Whew, you have seen that how much time it has taken such. So but you will learn one thing, that how to debug, how to find the issue. You can also find at your end. So with every video you will learn something, special, that how to debug, how to resolve the issue. So this one straight away you can do like this, and now I hope it will work fine. I'm going to refresh and will give password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now it is showing no error at all. Okay, so we able to modify this function, and now it is checking from the admins table. Now we are going to update. We are going to update this update password as well. Okay, and here we are going to do that few similar things again. Fix check password. I'm going to remove here. This is not required. Okay, in place of check password, I will do that admin count kind of thing once again. And here also I can use that similar kind of thing that we have used there as well. Count. Okay, here use admin where username is already we are getting the admin session. Password we are getting the here dollar data means current password. Here also we can do this thing. Okay, so here we are again getting the password in current password. We already know that this current password. Now this time we are using like this. Okay, that is fine. And here you can also name it like admin count. Okay, so count we are using, no issue. And this count we are going to check with like here as well in the similar way. Now we are going to change the condition. Here we are going to check that if count is greater than count is greater than 0, yeah, count is greater than equal to 1, else or count is greater than 0. Okay, then we are going to update the password. Okay, again we need to add this kind of condition. Okay, here we can update the password, and I'm going to remove this condition. And here we can update the password in this query admin where one, and after that we can simply update the password. Okay, we can update like this, and here we will add password, and here we can add that MD5, or we can add that current password. Okay, current password is already means we have updated with the MD5, so we can just simply add the current password and to update. Okay, it is looking like this. Okay, you can also do that same kind of thing, that dollar count equal to 1. Okay, same kind of thing. And here you can do one more thing, that if count is not clear, you can make it admin count as well. That look better, admin count. And here you can do like this, admin count, and here also admin count and admin count as well. Okay, so this thing, the similar thing we have done here as well. This is for the check password, this is for the update password. That form is similar, current password we are picking from here, current password. Okay, and but yeah, okay, so first we need to compare with the current password. Means here we are checking, again in here we are checking with that jQuery and returning toward false, and here we are finally checking once again, and if the current password this condition not met, then it will go to else and will return with incorrect current password. Otherwise it will means execute this condition where we are going to update the current password. Okay, we are going to update the current password. Yeah, so I hope that everything is clear. Now we can try this function here. So let's try this function now, and we will see whether it will work fine or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the current password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Updated password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I am going to update the password from 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and let's see whether it will update this password or not. And see here, password updated successfully. The message has come, but we need to see whether it actually updated or not. We are going to log in once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. First I'm going to try with 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, still not updated. Still issue is there. And okay, I will try with 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And no, it's not updated, so we need to see once again where is the issue. We need to debug this function as well. Okay, today my day is not good, or sometimes it happens. Sometimes our day not support us. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the current password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is the updated password. When I update the password, you can see 12677 here. It is coming fine up till here. After that, we update this current password with MD5. You can see MD5 is here, and where username, we are comparing with admin session, that is fine, and where password, we are comparing with the current password, and we are means just displaying this one, and we are going to now see here. It is easier to debug as it's here in PHP Laravel. The message is coming straight away. Okay, so one is coming fine here, so we can update this password. So it comes inside this admin your username is this one session, get session, that is fine. Mm, and after that, here we are going to take it like this. Okay, yeah, this was going to take it like this, and okay, so that update password, this is the current password that we have got. So now we can try once again, and we see. Yeah, this time I hope that it will update. A lot of time out, so it must update. But let's see now. Now I have done once again, and oh, sorry, what I'm doing this time. Here, the new password must come, so that's why we are getting the new password here. Updating again. Oh my goodness. Uh, Here we need to update the not the current password. We need to update the new password with MD5. Okay. You can also do it like this. If equal to one, you can do same kind of thing here. You can get the new password here. Uh, okay, new password here as well. Its name is new password. You can get that new password from here. Okay. Mm, not happen. Nothing going right for me in this video. New password here. New password here has come, and here you can add new password here as well. Oh, okay. Now I hope that it will work fine. I forgot to add new password here because we are going to update the new password in place of current password, and I am updating current password. Oh, so I will test once again. I'm going to update once again. Let's see, current password 123456. 123456. It's already updated to 7. Okay, no issue. 7. It is fine now. I'm going to update to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Update password. Updated password successfully. Now we are going to test. Okay, so let's test it. First, I'm going to try with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can see this is not working. I will try with 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's going to update. It's going to take us to dashboard. Okay, so now it's working fine. The complete functionality, and this is the way that we have seen, and we have seen that also that how to debug the code from time to time whenever you face some issue. Okay, now you can update back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it is showing wrong. 7, 8. Now it will show right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to return 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm password back to 1.6. Okay, now I'm going to update. Okay, so the password has been updated. Okay, now you can log in with that password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, okay. Now I hope that everything is clear to you, and the silly issues I have made with both the functions. I have means I have the error in check password function. I have means uh, created issue in update password as well. I am updating means updating to old password again and again, and that is the silly mistake. And in the first video as well, I have made some silly mistakes. It means in the previous function as well, I have made some huge mistake, but don't do this at your end. Do it very carefully and try to debug the code if you will also face the issue like me. Okay, might be it means might be some silly mistake. Takes a lot of our time, but try to debug each and everything so that you can resolve the issue. Okay. So that's all for now. Our admin has been updated now with the admin table. Now everything we will manage from the admin table, pin, password, login, logout, etc. So means for the front end is independent of the admin panel. Now you can open the admin panel and front panel at the same browser. Okay. So in next video we will do more. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.